A lot of the work that our lab is doing is trying to correlate easily imaged structural biomarkers with real life functional data from patients. So some of the work that we do, for example, is looking at microperimetry in diseases such as geographic atrophy and dry age-related macular degeneration, and seeing, what are the functional biomarkers within GA, for example, that correlate with geographic atrophy growth, geographic atrophy progression and worsening. We're similarly doing similar testing in patients with inherited retinal diseases.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the work that I'm doing at this point is looking at microperimetry in patients with retinitis pigmentosa, and seeing how the structure function correlation plays out in these patients with retinitis pigmentosa, and whether we can take some of what we learned from functional testing and translate that into structural testing, and thereby develop more robust structural imaging-based endpoints
Mm-hmm.
for patients, with these diseases. I think some of the similarly for diabetic retinopathy as well,
Mm-hmm.
kind of doing the structure function correlation in patients with DR and patients who are developing macular ischemia. And seeing how the functional and the structural pieces correlate in these patients as well. So I think that's one of the areas, of research that our lab is focusing on at this point.
That's very interesting.